ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Hello, Reading Mission Masters. Welcome to your next mission. I'm your host, your friend, your sidekick, and your teacher sidekick. I'm here to help you along the way, but only you can decide your future. So make sure you're paying attention. When you see this symbol and hear this sound, that means it's time to press pause and do the activity on your own. Just press play when you're finished. Your mission today involves reading a silly story with the sound
Ah.
and answering 2 comprehension questions. Along the way, you will be rewarded with letters to your secret code. All you need today is a pencil, but you can put it down for now. Thanks for being a good listener.
Start your engines because we are about to read really loud.
Welcome to the reading race. For this part of the mission, you must hop over the letter combinations and say the sounds before I do. If you don't know them yet, that's okay. You can just say them after me. Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
Round 1.
Say the sounds. Or. Ah. R. W. Sh. Ing. Oi. Ew.
Round 2.
Read the words. Burn. Jumping. Shelf. Coil. Flaw. Pour. Gloom. When. Art.
You rock! It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 76, write the letter A. Above the number 0, write the letter W. This part of the mission takes place in the ocean. You will dive underwater and read words with our focus sound.
Ah.
Let's look for our focus sound now.
Look, it's AW and AU that can make the sound ah.
Quickly read the word before it pops. Ready?
Straw. Haunt. Cause. Law. Yawn. Jaunt. August.
Now it's time for you to press pause and dive into your reading and underline every time you see the focus sound
Ah. You should have underlined AW or AU that make the sound ah 19 times. If not, press pause and check your work. Remember, only underline the sound in the title and silly story to get the right amount. If you found 19, then you may continue.
It's secret code o'clock.
above the number 88, write the letter E. Above the number 32, write the letter S. Do you often see really big words? Do they seem so long and confusing? Do you wish you could read them, but you just don't know where to start? If so, this product is for you. It's called a syllable SWAT. A syllable is part of a word with a vowel sound. When you learn to read, you start with simple words with only one syllable, like cat and mop. This handy-dandy syllable swatter can help you read and write longer words. Here's how it works. If you're writing, say the word and swat the syllables. This helps to break the word into parts so you can sound out each part by itself. Let's try it with the word napkin. Ready? Say the syllables in napkin. Napkin. Next, sound out the first syllable. Say the sounds in nap. Ready? N-a-p. Nap. Then, sound out the second syllable. Kin. Say the sounds in kin. Ready? K-I-N. Kin. Remember, do not put any spaces in between the letters. And there you have it. You used the syllable SWAT to write a word with 2 syllables. When you are reading, break the word into parts. Sound out each part by itself and then put the parts together. Let's try reading with the syllable SWAT. I am going to use the syllable SWAT to find the syllables. Okay, I see a syllable here with a vowel, and I see a syllable here with a vowel. I am going to try to sound out the first syllable. D-e-n. Den. The first syllable is den. Next, sound out the second syllable. T-is. Tist. Now put the 2 syllables together. Den-tist. Dentist. Thank you, syllable SWAT. If you act fast, you can SWAT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 syllables. Try it now. Use your hand as your swatter to SWAT the syllables. Ready?
Say the syllables in special. Ready? Special. 2. Say the syllables in important. Ready? Important. 3. Say the syllables in leader. Ready? Leader. 2. Fantastic. Ready? Fantastic. 3. Investigate. Ready? Investigate. 4. Decide. Ready? Decide. 2. Explore. Ready? Explore. 2. Basketball. Ready? Basketball. 3. Say thank you to the syllable swatter.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 67, write the letter O. Above the number 18, Write the letter M. For this part of the mission, you will participate in singing sight word songs with me. At the end, try to say the words as fast as you can. You may see these words in the silly story. Ready? L-I-K-E, like. L-I-K-E, like. L-I-K-E, like. The. T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. S-double-E. 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 C-C-C-C. S-double-E. 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 C-C-C-C. T-O-2. 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 With. W-I-T-H. With. W-I-T-H. With. W-I-T-H. So. So, S-O. So, S-O. So, S-O. So, S-O. Find, 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 F-I-N-D. Find, 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 F-I-N-D. Find, 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 F-I-N-D. Was, W-A-S. Was, W-A-S. Was, W-A-S. When, W-H-E-N. H-E, that's how you spell he. H-E, that's how you spell he. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Little.
We interrupt this broadcast for a brain break.
Attention! This silly story is made up to include sight words, words you can sound out, and the focus sound. It may not contain factual information, but I promise you this, it will be silly.
Point to the star on your paper. Let's read the title together first. Ready? The drawing.
On On your mission, please abide by the sentence laws. If you see a comma, please slow down and then continue. If you see a period, come to a complete stop and then you may proceed. I want you to read the first sentence. Stop at the period.
Press pause and read the first sentence. First sentence, ready? Austin got up at dawn.
Thank you for following the laws and stopping at the period.
Press pause and practice reading the next sentence. Next sentence, ready? He saw a fawn on his front lawn. Press pause and practice reading the next sentence. Next sentence, ready? Austin likes to draw, so he set up a spot to see the fawn. Press pause and practice reading the next sentence. Next sentence, ready? He took a little pause to find a straw for his milk. Press pause and practice reading the next sentence. Next sentence, ready? When he came back, the fawn was not there. Press pause and practice reading the next sentence. Next sentence together, ready? Austin saw a hawk with big claws and a big squawk. Press pause and read the next sentence. Let's read this sentence together, ready? His jaw dropped and he began his best drawing.
Thank you for following the laws and stopping at the period. This time, I want you to read the entire silly story the whole way through. It's okay if you start out reading like a robot until you read like you're talking, darling. Pretend like you're in a movie and read with expression. Press play when you're done. Ready? Action.
Read the story on your own. Press play when you're done. Point to the star on your paper. Let's read the title together first. Ready? The drawing. Austin got up at dawn. He saw a fawn on his front lawn. Austin likes to draw, so he set up a spot to see the fawn. He took a little pause to find a straw for his milk. When he came back, the fawn was not there. Austin saw a hawk with big claws and a big squawk. His jaw dropped and he began his best drawing.
Welcome to the final part of your mission. I am the question queen. In order for you to complete your mission, you must answer 2 comprehension questions. I grant you permission to look back in the silly story to help you find your answer. You can even use the silly story to help you spell your answer. If you'd like a challenge, write your answer in a complete sentence. Good luck in your final quest.
Point to the nickel. I will read the question to you, but I want you to point and follow along. Ready? What did Austin see on his front lawn? Point to the word what. What is underlined because it is the question word. You may go back in the story if you need to find the answer. Write your answer on the line. Press pause now and just press play when you are done. Point to the quarter. I will read the question to you, but I want you to follow along with your finger. Ready? What do you think Austin drew? Point to the word what. What is underlined because it is the question word. You may go back in the story to find the answer. If you want a challenge, you can even write the answer in a complete sentence with a capital at the beginning, spaces in between your words, and a period at the end. now and just press play when you are done.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 40, write the letter E.
I have faith that you completed your mission and earned your letters to the secret code. Check with a teacher or an adult to see if you got it correct. Remember, all 3 pages put together make your secret message. If you have time, practice reading the story again with expression. Actors and actresses practice over and over again to make sure they get their lines just right. Pretend like you were going to act in a movie and keep on practicing. Signing off until next mission.